Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video session. Today I am going to deal types of bank key answers which you already answered through Google form. First question, which of the following is not type of bank? A. Central bank, B. Cooperative bank, C. Commercial bank, D. State Bank of India. So here option A, B, C comes under a specific type of bank or a particular type of bank. But State Bank of India is a commercial bank in that it is comes under a public bank. So State Bank of India is not type of bank but it is example for commercial bank. Second, another name of central bank is A. Reserve Bank of India, B. City Bank, C. Commercial Bank, D. Specialized Bank. So, another name for central bank is option A. Reserve Bank of India. Citibank is example for commercial bank. So commercial and the specialized banks are the types of bank. So option A is right one. Third, the main goal of cooperative bank is A. To protect healthcare only, B. Accepting deposits only, C. To promote social welfare by providing concessional loans. D. All the above. Option C is the right one, that main goal of cooperative bank is to promote social welfare of the member who will subscribe to cooperative banks or who will opt as a member for cooperative bank. So they will protect the interest of all the members in the cooperative bank. So they will promote a social welfare by providing a concession loans to members. So option A, not only the health care or accepting a deposit. These two as well as D is a wrong options. Fourth one, which of the following is example for public bank? State Bank of India, Andhra Bank, Bank of India, all the above. These all are comes under the public bank. So these are example for public bank. All the above is right answer. Which of the following is example for private bank? Andhra Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, State Bank of India, Bank of India. Andhra Bank, State Bank of India, Bank of India, which we already understand in the previous question. So these three options are example for the public company. So Dhanalakshmi Bank is a example for private bank. Next one. Which of the following is not specialized bank? A. Federal Bank, B. NABARD, C. SIDBI, that is Small Industrial Development Bank of India, D. Exim Bank, that is Export Import Bank. So option B is not specialized bank, that is NABARD. So Federal Bank, SIDBI and Exim Banks comes under the specialized bank, where these will protect the interest of industries. So basically this Small Industrial Development Bank of India, which will provide loans to small sector business. Exim Bank, that is Export and Import Bank, those who will conduct a export and import business, so they will can opt for any kinds of financial help from these banks. So they will mainly encourages the export and import business. Federal Bank is also called as a Federal Reserve Bank, which will protect the credit rights of the consumers and nation's monetary policies. So this is also called it as a specialized bank like central bank. Thank you.